Steffani Smith, Early Development Advisor, comparing bestsellers with our products at Cornerstone Fundamentals. What you see here is a top-selling kids emergency kit. I have used this for many years, or at least carried it around, and it has not fared well, as you can see by the color. A lot of items that are still there I have not even touched nor even searched for. I did add baking soda for those bee stings and a couple other Band-Aids, but aside from that, it's just been really taking up a lot of space and I've had no use for it. So aside from it looking great and being organized, I then developed the Daily Saves Kids Care Kit. This is black, so it does fare well with stains. We do have white as well. This is your introductory card with all of your items that you'll need. This is something that I have developed based on just what I need for the week, working with the kids ages 3 through 7. Even I have used this care kit. It's really going to back you and instill that trust, and also just make sure that whoever's caring for your children has everything they need for all those day-to-day bumps, scrapes, and just overall issues. For more wellness products and learning toys for caregivers, parents of children 3 through 7, come check us out on our social pages and at cornerstonefundamentals.com.